This is what the floor looks like. Okay, let me zoom in a little. Okay, I'm about. Okay, see, I'm coming up with the puck right here. I take a slapper right there, and the horn sound is right about there. Look at what happened. I got a bar down snipe. A bar down snipe from, look, it expires right there. I got a bar down snipe, and nope, I'm robbed. Well, that's plain robbery. But look. As you can see, the green light is on. The puck. So the green line shines out right about when the puck is right there. Right there. You see? Now look at it. They're playing me wrong. A bar down snake. Got robbed away from me, bruh. I can't take this anymore.